In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix ChatGPT image not loading. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to do regardless of wherever you're using ChatGPT on. So if I open up the application, of course, maybe this might be from when you're trying to upload an image, or maybe it's after ChatGPT makes an image for you, but for some reason it's not loading. It could just be because of a bug. So the first thing you can do is literally just swipe out of ChatGPT, close it completely, open it again, and then go to your chat and see if that works for you, because it might just need a reset. However, what you could also do is go over to your settings application, scroll down all the way to apps at the very bottom, and then go ahead and find ChatGPT. Mine is right here. Go ahead and click on it, and then just make sure it has access to your photos where it says full access. Then what I want to go ahead and do is go to general, then go to iPhone storage, and then for applications, I just want to search up ChatGPT, go ahead and click on it. I want to offload the application, which is basically going to clear the cache, and then reopen ChatGPT, and then it should work fine. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.